Hello everyone. As mentioned in the previous video, the design of an AI system using ANS Center product is based on a 5-step process. And today we will learn about the first step of the process in OD Hub, which is data preparation. To better describe each step, I'll design a mask detection system as an example. If we can simplify the design of such a system, it would be of great benefit for practical application, especially in polluted locations, low air quality, or even a global epidemic like COVID. With OD Hub, a dataset that qualifies for training will contain two file types, which is JPG image file, and the corresponding XML file contains information describing the object of that image, also known as a labeled file. That means we provide an image to the system, and we also tell the system the name of the object appearing in that image. And when this process is repeated with each image, the system will learn how to remember and identify the same objects in any provided data. And it can even be able to detect objects under extreme conditions and environments such as low light, flare, or dust if the model is well trained. So the more good quality data we have, the better the training model will be. And for this example, a training dataset has already been prepared, and you can download it in the training material folder. After having the training dataset, we log into OD Hub. Here you can choose the engine to train the model. Training time will depend on the selected engine's performance, and it can last for hours or days. If you have a high-end PC with dedicated GPU, you can choose training with local PC. Otherwise, you can choose training with cloud server to use our ANS cloud services and resources. I'll choose training with local engine. Then we name our project. And press Start New. In this screen, the users can upload and modify their data. First, browse to the folder that contains the dataset. OD Hub requires that the folder must be named Data. You can click on the question mark button for detailed instructions. Now I will upload my data into the system. Here, select the current folder. If a file name is too long, OD Hub will ask you to shorten it. And the software has a built-in function that allows batch rename multiple files with two optional formats. Change file name to numeric characters, or keep only a certain amount of characters. After selecting the desired format, click Rename All Files. Now all data in the data folder has been successfully uploaded and shown in the file list table. The left column contains information about data compatibility and accuracy. The image and label files check table shows you the number of image files and labels. So the number of images we have satisfies the condition that each created label is used in at least 50 images. However, some images have not been labeled yet, as you can see here. All we need to do is to delete those images from the folder, or label them. And to deal with this problem, OD Hub has a built-in function to help label images quickly. Now click the Launch Labeling Tool button. In the Labeling Tool window, the first table includes some functions like zoom, drag and drop, align images by aspect ratio, hide or unhide label, and adjust the label font size. The second table will show all detected labels in the current image. And you can enable the auto save option for each time you select an image using arrow keys. Otherwise, you need to click the Save Label button to apply each change. The third table shows you the list of images with the labeled image has a black box and the unlabeled one has a white box. Now we have to label all white box images. To label them, simply drag and drop the mouse around the desired object, then select the available label name. Or you can manually create a new label right in the image. And remember that, for each new label, we need at least 50 images containing that label to satisfy the software's requirements. Now we have finished labeling all images. Close the window and go back to the main screen to check. So all images have been labeled. Here you can check the list and the number of labels that are in the dataset. Next, we press Generate Label Map. The Generate Label Map helps to convert labels from letters to numeric characters for training purposes. After the training is finished, these numbers will be automatically returned to their original names. When all conditions are met, the Data is Good notification will appear. Now we just need to press Send Data to Engine to finish step 1 of the training process. Thank you for watching.